Welcome back to Technify, your reliable destination for all things innovative in the drone universe. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest advancement in DJI's lineup of ultra-portable drones. With improvements like a bigger sensor, smarter obstacle detection, and longer battery life, this compact drone aims to redefine what's possible in lightweight aerial photography. Is this the game-changer drone enthusiasts have been waiting for in 2025? Stick around to find out. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech updates. The DJI Mini 5 Pro maintains DJI's signature design focus, keeping it compact, lightweight, and under the 249-gram threshold. That means you'll still enjoy fewer restrictions when flying in many parts of the world. Despite its featherweight frame, the build feels sturdier this time, thanks to upgraded materials and improved aerodynamics. Enhanced airflow systems help keep it cool during longer flights, while repositioned sensors offer enhanced 360-degree environmental awareness. The drone also comes with a redesigned travel case that makes packing even more convenient. At the core of the Mini 5 Pro lies a new 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade allows it to capture ultra-clear 4K footage at 60 frames per second, with support for 10-bit color depth for advanced post-production editing. Whether you're capturing landscapes or action shots, the camera delivers impressive dynamic range and detail. Stabilized on a 3-axis gimbal, the footage remains buttery smooth, even during complex maneuvers. DJI has also enhanced features like HDR, panorama, and low-light modes. Whether you're snapping photos at sunset or recording during early dawn, image clarity and color fidelity remain top-notch. Flying the Mini 5 Pro is a refined experience. With improved GPS locking and more accurate downward sensors, hovering and transitioning between flight paths feels more stable and responsive. The drone now handles stronger winds with ease, maintaining clear footage in more challenging weather. Thanks to wide-angle sensors, obstacle detection now covers more ground and more directions. Whether you're flying through tight alleys or expansive fields, the drone's environmental awareness is smarter and more reliable. DJI has further advanced its suite of intelligent flight modes. Features like Focus Track, Active Track 5.0, and Point of Interest have all seen performance boosts. The AI now better recognizes and follows people, vehicles, and even pets with remarkable accuracy. Cinematic shots are easier to execute with improved master shots and quick shots, even in tricky environments. The upgraded hyperlapse feature lets you create smoother time-lapse videos without the need for external editing tools. Overall, the intelligent flight system feels much more polished and user-friendly. Battery performance has also taken a leap forward. Under optimal conditions, the Mini 5 Pro can now fly significantly longer than its predecessors. DJI has refined the charging hub, which now supports USB-C fast charging and can sequentially power up multiple batteries. Mid-flight battery swaps are quicker, and the improved indicators clearly show estimated remaining flight time, so you're never caught off guard in the air. For content creators and travelers, this level of convenience is a game-changer. The Mini 5 Pro can be paired with either the DJI RC or the RCN2 controller. Both use OcuSync 4.0 for ultra-reliable, high-definition video transmission, even over long distances. The DJI RC comes with a built-in screen, eliminating the need to connect your smartphone. This not only saves time but also improves portability. Button layout is intuitive and customizable, and thanks to minimal latency, the controls feel incredibly responsive and immersive. Control and customization remain centered in the DJI Fly app. It now offers quicker access to essential settings, a more intuitive layout, and useful in-flight notifications. Beginners will benefit from the included tutorials and automated pre-flight checklists, while seasoned flyers will appreciate expanded manual controls. Safety tools like geofencing, safe zone alerts, and real-time firmware updates ensure peace of mind on every flight. With built-in editing and live streaming capabilities, sharing your content is faster than ever. Whether you're creating travel vlogs, promotional videos, or cinematic reels, the Mini 5 Pro adapts to a wide variety of creative needs. One of the most impressive upgrades is its low-light capability. Thanks to the new sensor and improved image processing, nighttime footage looks significantly better. Noise is reduced, Colors remain vibrant, and shadows and highlights are more balanced. Whether you're capturing a starry sky or filming a twilight hike, the Mini 5 Pro delivers sharp and cinematic visuals even when the sun goes down. Weighing in at under 249 grams, the DJI Mini 5 Pro continues to punch well above its weight. It's compact enough to go anywhere, yet powerful enough for professional content creation. With enhancements across the board, from camera quality and flight stability to intelligent features and battery life, DJI has once again shown what's possible in a small package. And there you have it, our full breakdown of the DJI Mini 5 Pro. From the upgraded 1-inch sensor and smart tracking modes to the longer flight times and refined controls, it's clear DJI didn't just make a small update. They built a drone that truly redefines what's possible in the mini drone category. Whether you're an adventure vlogger, real estate filmmaker, or just someone who wants to capture epic memories on the go, the Mini 5 Pro delivers professional-level performance in a ridiculously compact package. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Got questions or already flying the Mini 5 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Technify and hit that notification bell so you're always first in line for our latest reviews, comparisons, and drone tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Happy flying!